Let's talk about mean and max. So mean actually means minimum, while max means maximum value. So this is similar to large and small, right? That we discussed in the previous video, right? So what mean is going to do is to give you the minimum number between two numbers, or between a range of numbers. So I'm going to try this between. Let's try mean and then within a range. Okay, so let's say, okay, so let's try these two numbers. So what is the minimum, what is the smallest number out of these two? So it's going to give me 4nk, because 4nk is the smallest one. And again, for max, why max is going to give me the maximum number, I mean the largest number between two numbers or two range of numbers. So what is the maximum number here that we have? It's going to give me 500,000, right? Okay, again, so let's try within a range. What is the minimum number within a range? So if you check this range value, it's going to give me the minimum number to be negative, right? That is the smallest number that we have here. And what is the maximum number that we have here? Within this same range again, it's going to give me 529,000 as the maximum number that we have. So that is how you use mean and max. So if you can use mean and max in so many ways. Probably when you're working with your models and then you want to balance your model using the bank cash or bank to balance your statement. So to balance your model, so there's several ways you can use minimum and max. So in our dashboard course, I will show you how you can use minimum, how you can use mean and max. Alright, so thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.